All right, everybody, welcome to Trilogy Tech Talk, brought to you by Violent Memory. I'm in front of Cinegy's booth next to Lewis Kirkaldie. How you doing, Lewis?
I am having a brilliant first day of NAB. How about you?
I am holding up, as you can see. So, Lewis, what is Cinegy showing at NAB this year?
Well, we've got our version 10 products. We've been around for 12 years now, so we've been around the block a few times. We're bringing out various new things for asset management, ingest, playout, transcoding, IP organization. We do everything from ingest to playout and everything in between.
So we are at the media and entertainment industry, so how are you getting Cinegy into that energy? How are you guys taking place into that?
So we've been around for like over 10 years now. We started over in Europe more, working at the BBC, but we've been having a lot of work recently getting stuff done for North America. So we've been adding features that are specific to North America, some things that are a bit technical that like kind of come in, like closed captions, VANC support, stuff like that. So we've been working really hard, and now we're ready for a big push to come in and do some more of this. So we've been working with sales with PBS, so we love our public broadcasters. You come from the BBC, you've got to do that. So yeah, we've been doing that, coming into North America and having a lot of fun. But the big difference for us is we work with software. You know, we don't sell hardware, we don't sell people, we don't sell services. You come to us, it's because you're going to buy a piece of software, and then everything else can come from around that. You can just buy a commodity piece of equipment, put some IT stuff together, bang our software on, and you can go ahead and off you go. So It's quite a different concept, and it works quite well.
I was just going to ask you, how are you guys seizing new opportunities in the digital age?
Well, I mean, the biggest thing we've seen in the last few years has been people finally getting towards the idea of SDI, kind of drifting away, and IP being a big thing. So when I joined Cinegy just over 5 years ago, we already had at that point IP inputs, IP outputs, IP management tools. And actually, I have to honestly say, when I arrived, I said, well, why are we doing this? Isn't SDI just fine? And my boss is like, no, it's not. This is the future. And then some years go by and customers go, yeah, this does make sense. So we've like run our whole booth with IP everywhere, setting it up so easy because there's no cables. And we're seeing more and more people. This last 2 years, we've seen customers come along from all over the country saying, yeah, I'm never going to build a station the same way again. I'm not going to put these SDI leads in anymore. I want Ethernet cables.
Talking about clients, who are your clients and how have they been benefiting from Cinegy's product line, from Cinegy in general?
Yeah, well, I mean, we started out over in the UK in particular, where our first customer was the BBC, working on some big asset management projects, their natural history unit. Then after that, we've taken on customers in Turkey, so we have a huge amount of deployments in Turkey. The biggest broadcaster in Turkey runs all on our enterprise platform. We've moved out into news, so we run all the BBC newsrooms in BBC Belfast, ITV, commercial broadcasters in the UK, all across Europe. Some of the craziest reality shows, unfortunately, are our responsibility, so things like Dancing with the Stars have worked on us. Strictly Come Dancing in the UK still runs on us. The Apprentice in the UK runs on us. So we get involved in all sorts of things, from production through to news, through to now doing more and more with PBS in the US.
I almost blinked out because you said Dancing with the Stars. I love that show. Other than that, what else is Cinegy showing? I mean, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, no, we've been having fun. Everyone is playing around saying, hey, 4K. A couple of years ago, woo, 4K. So, of course, we're like, woo, 4K, but 4K and IP.
Woo.
Yeah, woo. So, yeah, we're showing 4K over there. We're showing live 4K IP encoding over in our demo room, which is quite cool because 4K uncompressed is like 9 kajillion gigawatts of bandwidth. But you can put that into IP and you can make it much, much smaller.
All right, Lewis, and what are you getting in tonight? It's Vegas, it's only Monday,
yeah.
The exhibit doesn't end till Thursday. What are you going to be doing?
I think a foot bath and then bed.
That sounds like a plan. I mean, on my own. Not together.
It's not a proposition. No.
You do your foot bath and I'll do my foot bath. All right, Lewis, thank you very much for taking time to talk to us, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.